Did you know that teepee rolls belong in your bathroom and not in your quilting room? Well, I'm here to show you why. Toilet paper rolls belong in the bathroom and not in your quilting studio. They are ugly, they are flimsy, and who knows what germ is on them. And the binding doesn't go on very nice and it's really kind of messy. So I have a solution for you. We have a binding baby where we have a slot that goes up the middle to create the cute little legs, has a cute little face, the binding goes up in between and you wrap it around after you make the binding. It doesn't make the binding for you. And then you actually can put a binding clip or a pin on it. It can hold up to, let's just say the fatter the dress, the cuter she is. So if you have an oversized king quilt, it'll fit it. If that's bigger than that, I guarantee you the binding will stay there. And they're so dang fun and so dang cute. So why wouldn't you want one? So take those toilet paper rolls, throw them in your trash, take them to the bathroom, get rid of them, and no more. Let's keep the toilet paper rolls out of your quilting room. And now let's go to the machine. I'm going to show you why they are so functional. Now I don't have a quilt today, but we're here just to show you how this looks with the toilet paper roll. It is kind of messy, and when you come down, it just kind of really rocks, and it's going to fall right off the spool holder. So now let's show you the difference with the binding baby. And here we have the binding baby, and I'm going to show you as I take the clip out. You're going to take it with your other hand and you're going to bring down the binding, and then you'll attach it to your quilt. But look how much more smooth and how it just kind of stays up there. So that is cute and functional, and why wouldn't you want a binding baby? Thank you for watching today. We hope that you will subscribe, set your notifications to follow us when we have videos again, and we hope that you'll follow us on our social media at Doohikey Design.